Hi, my name is Alan Diwan. I'm the owner and chef of Kashmir Indian Restaurant Budapest. We are here on behalf of Expat Village. The dish now we're going to be preparing is called Paneer Masala. And once we've done that, we're going to add chopped coriander leaves and a bit of garam masala to it, and then we're ready to serve. So in the meanwhile, we'll take our coriander leaves and make them into nice little roll and chop them finely just once. Let's see how the paneer masala is doing. We'll give it another minute or two before adding in the rest of the ingredients. In the meanwhile, I'll take some coriander leaves to decorate our plate. Just cut the stalks off. We'll use the leaves, and we'll take some julienne ginger, and this will decorate our paneer masala. So let's see how the paneer is doing. And that's fine. Paneer masala is almost ready, because it just really doesn't need that much time, because the paneer is already ready. We can eat it raw as well. We added our coriander leaves and some garam masala, about half a teaspoon of garam masala, and give it one nice stir. And we're ready to serve paneer masala. Take it off the heat and let's serve the paneer masala. There you have it. Paneer masala will decorate it with some ginger and some coriander leaves to go on top of that. So there you have it. Very simple, very flavorful, full of texture and nice flavors. Paneer masala. Enjoy.